broccoli stems, onions, about 4 carrots, and lots of garlic. I have my pan on medium heat. And now I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. We're going to let this oil heat up a little bit. Then I'm adding whole garlic cloves. I'm not chopping them. They're just going to go in like this. After the garlic turns very slightly pink on the edges, like this, we are going to add onion, broccoli roots, saute them for 2 minutes. I've added the onions. Now broccoli roots, or broccoli stems rather. Now add the broccoli stems and all this for about saute for a minute on high. See how lovely the garlic looks now. Doing it this way, the garlic will be sweeter. You will not have a crazy garlicky taste, but it will have a nice mellow garlic taste. After about a minute of covering and cooking this, you just check. Looks nice, nothing is burnt. Now we'll add the carrots. This is a super quick soup, great for winter evenings. Everything goes in, saute. Again, we'll saute it for about a minute, cover and cook for about 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, we'll open and look how shiny these carrots are. There is no salt in this yet, there's no seasoning. Looks so gorgeous. I'm going to add about a liter of water in this. I've added water. You can add vegetable broth, chicken broth if you have any. At this point we will add salt in this as per your taste. Once water is added and salt is added, let everything simmer with the lid closed for about 2 hours. Once everything is cooked, grind it, add seasoning, sage, rosemary sprigs, black pepper, little bit of lemon, and enjoy this yummy warm winter soup.